Welcome! Have you ever wanted to add a message to your Instagram story that your followers can reveal by interacting with it? This cool feature lets you share hidden messages and make your story more interactive. In this updated tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the Reveal sticker to add a secret message to your story. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, tap on your story in the top left corner to begin creating your story. Next, choose the photo you want to use for your story. Whether you're selecting a photo from your gallery or snapping a quick pic, go ahead and select the one you want to share. Once your photo is selected, look to the top of the screen for the sticker icon. Tap on this icon to open up the sticker menu where you can choose different interactive elements to add to your story. Scroll through the options and tap on the Reveal icon. This will add a hidden message sticker to your story. Now, it's time to enter your secret message. Tap on the text area to type whatever you want to reveal to your followers. Once you're happy with your message, tap Done in the top right corner to finalize it. When you're ready, tap Your Story to post the story. Now your followers will see the message hidden under the Reveal sticker, and they can interact with it to unveil the text. And that's it. You've successfully added a message to your Instagram story that your followers can reveal. It's a fun way to engage with your audience and add a little mystery to your posts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.